Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruthie B here. Today is Friday, May 2nd. We are going at Ihop. I am taking my daughter at Ihop to celebrate her. You know, she's a young lady. I want her to feel special. Now she has an attitude. I don't know what's wrong with these kids nowadays. Anyway, so my next clip will be me at Ihop eating and devouring my food because I am very hungry. This girl just told me that I embarrassed her. Can you believe that? I'm embarrassing her. I can't believe that. They're so fresh nowadays. If it was my time, when I was a kid. Yes, we are at IHOP, y'all. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. I have not eaten anything, okay? You don't know what I'm talking about. You're in school. Not eating anything really.
It was so much fun at school, especially at the after school program. We got Cheetos, not Cheetos.
Don't say the name of your school.
We got candy. We got like to do like a piñata because it was like
Steak at IHOP. I always ask for the plastic forks and knives. If you know, you know why. And my daughter had what? What did you have?
fresh shrimp, man's platter. When you mix your french fries, fried double fried shrimp, and some fish.
Alrighty.
With lemon.
We're chasing stars.
So that's the thing. Well, those are the same bikes I had, the pink ones, the ones at the end.
Yeah.
Can you check them out?
I'm not gonna check any bikes out right now.
After.
Yes guys, we went to Walmart for a quick run. We wanted to pick up a few things. Now, these palm trees, I admire them. I think I'm gonna get one in the future to put either in my room or my my beauty room. And those little table right there, end table I should say, they would go well somewhere in my house. I don't know yet, but they look very nice. I just wanted to pull out my camera and show you guys a few things in terms of home decor, what they have at Walmart. These were like boho style, so which is not my the look that I'm going for, and that's why I was just showing you. I just wanted to show you guys what they have at Walmart, and you can check your local Walmart and find out if you can get a few items to elevate your home. You know Walmart is very price friendly. Those vases, I like them, but I'm not sure where I would put them as of now. So it's good to go and see what the stores have and then go home and see, and try to locate and figure out how you're gonna execute your home decor. Right? My daughter was calling me now, Mommy. She loves globes. Every time she sees something that looks like a globe, she wants them. But the problem with her, she's gonna break it like within 2 days. And also, guys, if you're in the market for those fancy coffee making machine, espresso machine, whatever, I believe this is Keurig, they call it. Walmart is your store. Walmart got you covered. I just have for myself, we just have a regular old-fashioned coffee machine. I love coffee. I love the aroma of coffee. However, when I drink coffee, it's not I feel different. Anyway, here I am again in the beauty section. Where else? I love going to the beauty section. For whichever store, I will go to the beauty section. I was looking at everything, and every time I go to Walmart, I get me one thing, in the beauty section. Yeah, I didn't get anything that day, but my daughter, she's at that age. She wanted everything that she saw that day, but we have to keep everything under control now. Yeah, guys, let me know where you get your beauty items, if you go to Walmart, Target, or if you go to TJ Maxx for those, etc. Let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment and a like. I will appreciate it. I love you guys. Thanks. Bye bye.